the advantages of having an apprentice scheme is it brings in that vibrancy of youth, lots of fresh ideas, lots of fresh approaches. So whilst obviously a good apprenticeship scheme works to the framework to ensure the framework criteria and skills are met and the development of the young person, they also add something new to the organisation. Every individual brings a new take on things and it brings a real freshness and a vitality.
Benefit to our business, I would probably say that it's a long-term benefit because we invest heavily into training, and these things don't happen overnight, and we want to you know, produce excellent hairdressing in the valleys again using the apprenticeship schemes, and it's working.
Besides obviously they're doing a technical certificate on their apprenticeship, so that could be welding, painting, electrical, mechanical. They gain an awful lot of life skills that are going to be a huge benefit to them as they progress in their careers, in their lives, out of work. Their communication skills, they're very, very comfortable talking to directors, talking to, should we say, older people. They mingle, they mix, they have no issue with that. Always got a positive attitude.
The benefits apprentices bring to BT is they bring fresh, innovative skills to our business. They help us to understand how we need to develop our workforce. They bring such enthusiasm and motivation to the job they do. They also make sure that we're building the next generation of future employees.
Tie in that apprenticeship programme to your corporate objectives to ensure that it's aligned to your organisational strategy, that you've got your behavioural competencies mapped into that framework, to ensure that you're not just doing apprenticeships or training for training's sake, you're actually delivering something that is both relevant to the apprentice and to the organisation.
I would say to other employers, take the opportunities. There's lots of opportunities out there to help you with apprenticeships, lots of support, and there's lots of talent out there. You've just got to go and find it and have the patience and the determination and the commitment to put time, effort, training and investment into the future of your business, and apprenticeships will provide that.
They change in terms of their knowledge and also their confidence and their wider skills, and it's the difference we make to learners' individual lives, and also how they then become in return a really valuable member of our organisation that actually helps us be better in what we do every day as well.
I'd recommend employers take on apprentices. Apprentice schemes are great. Not only does it enable you to get a real root in the community and connect with your community by providing great opportunities for local talent, what it does, it provides you that vitality of youth, it provides you the pipeline for the future, the succession planning. There's an enormous sense of reward as well from seeing these young people grow and develop with you in your business and achieve great things. I can't recommend apprentice schemes highly enough.
Simple question to an employer who's contemplating is what you're waiting for.